We're going to come and do an adjustment right to the ear, okay? So just relax for me.
That's it. Go through there. Your hips going. Rápido. Gracias. No, móvelo. Okay. So you go like this. There you go. There we go. Good job. You go like this. Keep it down. There you go. Good job.
Very good.
Good, just relax. And relaxed.
Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god!
Relax.
Oh my god!
This one here. Boom. And go up just a little bit. Good. Okay.
And deep breath in. All the way out. There.
Okay.
Make sure that you see the red dot. See how the red dot jumps every time I go over this point? So here it is again. Now let's do it one more time. So that every single time that meter will jump at that point right here.
Yeah.
Right there. So that's what they call a T4. This nerve goes to his heart. Drop all the, keep let everything go here. So now we're going to run the meter again and see.
What's happening? Okay.
सारा बॉडी फ्री कर देते हैं
Good. Oh my goodness. Oh my god.
Yeah, you good?
Mhm.
Here we go.
Oh my goodness.
Yes.
There will be no twisting of your head whatsoever. So watch the chin as it goes up. And there's no twisting, so there's no chance of getting hurt. And there's no twisting, just the chin comes up. And so we're able to move those key bones that we analyzed on the...
हड्डी बजा दी महाराज मैंने ऐसा ट्रीटमेंट अपने करियर में अभी तक नहीं
Deep breath in. Breathe out. Nice.
Okay. एक नंबर सांस लेने से. Okay.
Oh, wow. Oh my gosh. Move your toes. Oh my gosh. And relax.
Let it go. Wiggle your left big toe for me.
Breath in. All the way out. Good, other side for me. So I'll lay back here just a bit. Nice deep breath in. Very good.
If I just do that, how does that feel so far? Bring that arm to there. Okay. And hold there nice and tight. Okay? Yeah?
And scoot the hips this way a bit. Perfect. There we go. Big breath. Breathe out. Nice. Good.
Drop again.
Let your head drop. That's perfect. There you got that. Drop. That's it. That's all.
Nice deep breath in for me, Holly. And out. Good. That's the one.
Okay, here we go. Ooh. I'm gonna pull. Bear with me. Good.
Go here. Relax here.
Going all the way up into the thoracolumbar. Yes, ma'am. Oh, yeah. Okay, just let me have you breathe. That's it. Mm-hmm. Crack addicts gonna love you too.
Let's get 7. 7 on the left.
So you're just gonna let the head drop this way. Oh, drop. There it is.
Sorry, I can tell you were tense.
So let it drop. This way. Again, completely. Very good.
That was good. That was some nice adjustment.
Come over to the side for me. Very good. I'm just going to come in. Lean your head right into my forearm, please. Just relax for me. Relax. Let's come forward together. Come forward. Very good. Come to the other side. Same thing. Into my hand. Just relax for me. Come forward. Just relax, relax. Very good. Very good. That's good. Way up. Yes. Perfect. Scoop you towards me just a bit. Very good. Nice deep breath in for me. All the way out. Very good. Now bring those elbows together. Nice deep breath in. All the way out. Very good.
And 1. Get 5 right here.
Oh, damn. I'm pretty sure they heard that one. Oh.
Move forward. Nice deep breath in, all the way out.
Yes. Oh my goodness. Yes.
This one might actually move a little bit easier. It feels a lot more free on this side.
Oh, yes.
Not quite relaxed. There you are. Relax. You alright? Mm-hmm. Good. Cool. You doing okay?
Leaning back onto me. Just nice and relaxed.
Oh!
Good. Good job, dude.